all his tools and stuff.
Juan's the OG, dude.
Juan, why don't you charge this guy more money?
Hey, see you later, Matt. See you, dude. Love you, man.
Have a good day.
You too, bro. You guys got another one to prep?
Didn't finish the tile job, so we're like, nah, we'll just do it.
Do it Monday. Do it Monday.
I'll come do this. Make sure it fucking turns out for you.
Hey, I've got good tile guys, man. I got two. I got Juan and Angel.
Yeah?
If you guys ever need tile help.
We do need tile help, so maybe we'll hit them up.
Yeah.
You do tile?
Let us know.
Right on. We'll hit you up.
You hit me up.
Hey. You do it. No, I'm hit Juan up.
No.
Yeah, he's my guy now.
No inglés.
¿Lo comprende?
They took the dump trailer without a battery on it. Hey, I'm gonna put it on YouTube, guys.
I love you.
You want to start over on this side? What do you think?
Yeah, I'm just giving it time to remix it.
Oh yeah, no, you're good. I was just wondering what you're thinking.
No, I'll start either side, don't matter.
I think I'm gonna put these boards, dude, down here. So if we do need to step down there,
Don't sink in.
yeah, step on something clean. The nail facing down.
To lead the children of Israel through. Let my people go down Moses' way down in Egypt's land. Tell old Pharaoh, let my people.
Did your dad teach you a lot of what you know?
Yeah.
That's cool, man. He learned in Mexico, or?
Mainly here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, he was young when he came from over there.
Oh yeah.
Like 15, 16.
Did he start in pool construction, or?
Yeah, from my uncles.
Oh yeah, that's where you started in, huh?
Yeah.
Is that good or too?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or you know what? To offset it, you know, a little bit.
When they had reached the other shore, let my people go. They sang a song of triumph. Oh, let my people go down Moses' way down in Egypt's land. Tell old Pharaoh, let my people go.
Camera's making you nervous.
Just telling you. Sounds right there in the morning. I didn't know how to start.
You forgot how to do it for a minute, huh?
Pretty much.
Came back.
Seemed like it.
What, I leave for like 30 minutes, you already finished 2 sides. If the camera's not around, you move. Want me to get you a wedge?
It stayed.
Cool.
Usually we would put rapid set into like
Oh.
set when we did pulls.
Oh,
for
would
tile.
you? Oh, the rapid set, the cemental?
That brown one? The
Yeah.
brown bag?
Uh huh.
We would mix like
Not the blue
two
bag.
little pointer full
Uh-huh.
scoops into there.
Yeah.
And then we'll be able to try it quick.
I've only used the blue bag, which is just like cement. The brown bag, is that mortar? It has sand in it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. I haven't used that one. But when we dig a pool and it's really sandy, we'll have to flash the pool. Have you ever done that? Just hand broadcast the cemental on the wall, and it kind of,
Like dry packing it.
yeah, it just kind of creates a shell around the pool so it doesn't cave in. It works really well. I like that stuff. We're doing this big one next?
Yeah.
It's good, right?
Should be. Seems like it. Now I put some wedges on the bottom, pick it up a little,
Raise
put it
it-
in between, kind
Raise
of.
it a little bit like that.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yep.
Cool. Cool, that looks good, man. These may not be tall enough.
I don't think it will.
No. We could start with one of these or something.
Yeah, that one would be good down there.
That catch is living the life, dude. Just hanging out.
Sure is.